guys, oh my goodness, finally we are doing an updated makeup routine. So that's me with my baby face and stuff, looking all cute. So I'm going in with this Nivea nourishing cream. I absolutely love this because it gives my skin a nice glow. Okay, it nicely moisturizes everything. I mean, look at that. I mean, I absolutely love this. So this is what I normally apply when I do my makeup. Then I go in with the eyebrows. So with the eyebrows, okay, let's bring you guys in a bit close. With the eyebrows, I like to go in with the brown eyebrow pencil. So I first create a line, and then you will see me creating little strokes going upwards. And yeah, that's basically what I do in terms of the eyebrows. Nothing much really. So I create the little stroke just to try and give it a bit of a more natural look. It doesn't look like that right now, but you'll see as we go on. So I go in also with the concealer, the LA Gold Pro concealer in the shade, is it tan or no, medium beige. That's the color of this concealer. And then you basically just go in and then you clean off the eyebrows. And you take that concealer down up until around your eyelid, and then you just want to quickly just then blend everything together, and you do the same thing for the other eyebrow. Once that part is done, I go in with this palette, which is from Colourpop, and I go in with that burnt sort of like orange color. And I start with the corner of my eye with a blending brush, and then I just place it in there and I attempt to blend. Okay, so I go in and try and blend, and then after this I also then go in with when I'm done blending, when I feel like it's fine, I then go in with a darker eyeshadow, which you will see in just a few seconds. I think I spoke too soon. Because yeah, that's the eyeshadow that I was referring to. So I go in with that darker brown, and then I just pat it in there, and then you basically just need to be blending, and that's it. And after you're done blending, what I then do is I go in with this palette. I'm so sorry, I'm using so many different palettes. And I go in with a clean brush, and I go in with those light eyeshadow shades. So I just pack it in there, and you just want to just then start blending, and that's about it for the eyes. And after you're done with the white eyeshadow, you then go in with the darker eyeshadow, and then just try and make it blend on the outer corner of the eye where there's like the dark eyeshadow. I hope I'm explaining it right. Yeah, there we go. Can you see what I was referring to earlier on? So yeah, basically that's it in terms of eyeshadow. And then I go in and I do the other eyes. I was busy jamming here. What was I listening to? I mean, I don't even remember, but clearly it was good music. And then I go in with my mascara from Isabella. I absolutely love this mascara. Sorry, I did it upside down. So I just go in with just one coat. You don't need many coats because like you're gonna be going in with eyelashes. So yeah, after doing that, I then go in with now the face. Okay, this foundation, this Maybelline Superstay foundation is everything. I mean, as you can see there, like I'm just going crazy over it. It is everything, you guys. I absolutely love it. So I just go ahead and put in a few pumps. Is that what you call it? I don't know, but you just basically apply it, and then I will then go in with my beauty blender and basically just blend.
I slept on the beat.
Guys, like this foundation is everything. Like I always recommend this foundation to people like who want a full coverage but yet something affordable. This is very affordable. It's like less than 250. I think it's like 230 or 220, somewhere around there. I think it is great. I've tried other foundations like your Estee Lauder. I actually have one, but I don't really like it as much as I like this one. I feel like this one is just everything. Okay, like I could go on and on and on and on. I mean, look at it. I mean, there's no need for me to do anything else right now, but since we're extra, we're going to continue and highlight and contour and set our makeup. I just felt like I should actually just speak to you guys about that and not do a voiceover this time. And not do a voiceover. I feel like you need to... let me continue, because this is exactly the reason why I'm doing a voiceover, because I start rambling. And we don't want that. I don't want this video to be long. I don't. Then I go in with the concealer, the same concealer, put it under the eyes just so we can highlight that area. And then after putting it on the under eyes, I also go in on my chin as well as the bridge of my nose. What I then like to do is I like to let the concealer sit for a bit. So I like to also just air dry it so that I feel like it gives you a nice finish once you've air dried everything. Then I go in with a darker concealer just so we can contour and make this face look slim, okay? And my face is so big, you guys. My face, it is so round, so the contouring is needed because we need to make our face look smaller. Then I go in and blend the concealer under the eyes, and make sure you blend, guys. Like, make sure you blend, like take your time. And then after I'm done blending the under eyes, I then go in and just blend on my cheekbones where I put my contour. I mean, can you look at that? The face is slimmer. And then I also like to put it on my, what do you call that part? Under my chin. I don't know what the hell you call it. Then I like to blend. So we're just trying to hide that double chin that we have there. Then look at the contour. Then we go in with the same brush that we used earlier on for the cheeks, and then we just do the nose. So with the nose, you want to try and also take your time, because when you don't blend your nails properly, it will show. So you try and take the concealer, dark concealer, and move it all the way up until your eyebrow. This will then give you that illusion that your nose is nicely contoured and that it's like basically your natural nose. And I like to go in with this glue, you guys, from Essence is everything. Then I also go in with this powder from Revlon, just to set the under eyes. So earlier on, I think the clip didn't show properly, but it was just me putting the glue on the eyelash and letting it dry a bit. And then now this is me putting the eyelashes. This eyelash glue makes it easy for you to actually apply your lashes. Like, I love it so much, and it's extremely affordable. It's the only glue that I use now for the eyelashes. Then I basically go and blend out that powder that I had put there, and then go in and try and contour again. So I took a darker eyeshadow from that palette that I showed you, and then just basically try and blend everything out. Can you see that this face is looking slimmer and slimmer? I love this for me. And then I go in with the pink blush, and then just add it on there just so we can create nice cheekbones. And then I go in with that brown eyeshadow, and I put it on my waterline. Not waterline, is it under? Oh, I don't know, but I put it there. Okay, so normally I don't put eyeliner, but I just put the brown eyeshadow, and then I go in with mascara. Please put mascara on your bottom lashes. It makes so much difference. It I can't even speak. Then what I do is I go in with this lipstick from Avon. So it's a brown lipstick, so I go in and I use it as a liner. And then what I then do is I use, wait for it, I use a concealer, ne, to create that nice nude look, because I don't have a nice nude lipstick. I haven't found like the proper shade, so this just works. And then what I do is I go in with the clear lip gloss, and yeah, that's about it. That's about it, guys. This, I feel like I need to speak again. We're almost done with the video. Okay, not we're almost done. We're done with the video. This is like the best thing ever. This setting spray, like Maybelline did the things. Okay, this setting spray, whenever, if let's say for instance I'm going out and I do my makeup in the morning, in the afternoon around 3, 4, even 5, up until actually in the evening, my makeup is still in place. Like there's no sweating, I don't need to touch up, I don't need to do anything. So I highly recommend this, but only if you like that matte look, because it gives you a matte look. It's not dewy at all, but it's just perfect for very sunny weather like that, because in South Africa it's very hot. Like in Joburg it's very hot these days. So I would highly recommend you putting this on your face after applying your makeup, just to avoid sweating. I never sweat with, okay, naturally I don't sweat like that, but like sometimes your makeup does melt if it's really sunny, and my makeup doesn't melt because of it. I feel like I'm actually getting paid for this. Let me actually quickly just put it on, because my battery is about to die. Oh, this is everything. So you just want to let it dry. So I'm done with my makeup. I feel like it turned out really good. Super excited. Finally, I filmed this video. You guys have been on my case about getting an updated makeup routine, and I've done it. I've done it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm really sorry that I had to do a voiceover. I was trying to avoid making this video long. I know people, they don't really have time to be watching long makeup tutorials, but this makeup tutorial was not done in the minutes of this video. Okay, but I just want you guys to be aware. Don't try and do this in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's not gonna work. Not unless you, like, I don't know, you're really fast and like you're very good at doing your makeup, then maybe. But I did this probably in like an hour. Yeah, so be patient. Blend. So I'll list all the details in the description box. The only thing that kind of changed in terms of me doing my makeup is that I don't put highlight anymore. Like, you know, the shimmer highlight, I don't put that anymore. And I just love the matte look. I don't put anything on my nose. I remember I used to put like on my nose, like create a button nose, and like put on my cheekbones, on my chin. I don't do that anymore. Okay, I just like it like this. And the eyeshadow, I think I forgot to show you guys the eyeshadow. This is how it's looking like. Ooh, very cute, right? very pretty, I think. And the lashes are not too dramatic, they're just right. When it comes to contouring the nose, as you've seen earlier on, but I just want to tell you guys again, I go from I put the dark concealer obviously from the bridge of my nose, not the bridge, on the sides of my nose. What, I don't even know how to describe it, but like on the, like here, I don't know what you call this part, and then it goes all the way up until my eyebrows. So what that does is that it creates this illusion that you've got a nice bridge and that everything is sort of like nicely blended. So if you can check here, okay, let me not do it this one. Okay, it's fine because I won't do anything, I won't mess it up. If you check here, if it's up close, you can you see it's as if this is like, it kind of gives that illusion that this is how my nose looks like. My nose is not like this. So yeah, that's what you need to do. And then another thing that I like doing that I didn't show you guys, okay, let me just do it now actually, because I didn't do it. I go in with the powder and I add the powder on my eyebrows. So sometimes the eyebrow pencil is a bit too dark and it makes your eyebrows look extremely dark, like not as natural. So what this thing does is that it mattifies the eyebrows, and you find that sometimes your eyebrows are a bit, I don't know, greasy in a way. They look a bit oily. So I like to just go in with the powder and then just set them as well. And this also helps in terms of my eyebrows staying in place. Nah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed creating this look for you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video.